My name is Ankit, and today I am going to demonstrate to you how Internet of Things can be used with SAP HANA Cloud Platform. Now, HCP is a platform as a service that provides unique in-memory database and application service. SAP HANA Cloud Platform enables you to go from sensor to action with its IoT service. Using SCP IoT, you can manage and bring onboard connected remote devices, get real-time predictive analysis to improve intelligence and decision-making at the edge of network and optimize the business process at the core of your business.
For my demonstration, I am going to use Arduino Uno as a microcontroller board based on Atmega 328P. It is the most popular board used for IoT projects. It has 14 digital input-output pins, out of which 6 can be used as PWM outputs, 6 analog inputs, a 16 MHz quartz crystal, a USB connection with a reset button.
In this demo, I have written a code inside Arduino to read the coordinates from GPS module and send them to SAP HANA Cloud Platform in real time, which ultimately saves the data in SAP HANA Z table. Let's see it in action. So guys, let's see how this device works. Here is the main part of our device. Well, it's all covered in a paper just to make sure that electronic components are not touching with each other. So this is the Arduino Uno. It's the what we can say, it's a brain of the whole system. Okay, now here is the GPS. Here is the GPS device. It's really tiny, as you can see. This is the chip. It is covered with paper, and here is its antenna. Okay, now here is the SIM module, which is sending the data to our SAP server, and here is its antenna. So in order to make sure that we put it in a very small compartment, I bought a box. So let's keep it inside it. Okay, we are almost there. Great. Yeah. So we will be connecting this battery. Here goes USB cable to Arduino, and here it goes to battery backup. Yes, that's it. As you can see, a light has started blinking. It's on a SIM module, so now it has stabilized. You can see it's blinking after 3 seconds. So now it has connected to mobile network. In this case, I'm using BSNL as a network provider. So here is our GPS antenna, and here is the main unit. It's 3 p.m. so I'm not sure whether you are able to see this, but let's focus this. There is a light blinking inside GPS module, which basically states that okay, it has now connected to at least 3 satellites. As a developer, I can use Eclipse. I can also use WebIDE. There are different ways to get this data. But for a general user, I created a Fiori application that you need to install on your phone. So let's see it in action. Hi guys. So here is, I have uploaded my Fiori application to HCP. Let's log in. Okay, perfect, we are here. So this is the place, this is the button where we can start our journey. Let's say A to B or office to home, something like that. I'm starting a new journey. I'm naming it as, let's say, BKC to home. Oh, let's submit it. So it has, okay, so this is started our journey.
SAP HANA Access stands for SAP HANA Extended Application Services. Sometimes it is also referred as Access Engine. The main idea of SAP HANA Access is to embed a full-featured web application server and its development environment within the SAP HANA application itself. Access Engine is nothing but a server-side JavaScript engine that used to be based on Mozilla SpiderMonkey. Starting with SAP HANA SPS 11, Access Advanced will be based on Google V8 engine, the same that is used to power up Node.js. In this SAP Internet of Things demonstration, Arduino sends the GPS coordinates to the URL that is set by SAP IoT through SIM module. SAP IoT saves the data in a table, and I use Access to fetch it in Fiori application. Let's explore Access in HCP. So I have already logged into SAP HCP, and here is my database named as database 01. SAP gives me two options, but rather I would say two tools. The first one is SAP HANA Cockpit, and the second one is Web-based Development Workbench. Here I'm using Development Workbench. Generally, it asks me to provide login credentials. These are the ones that you set at the time of creating a database. Since I've already logged in, it shows up 4 options for further navigation. Here I'm clicking on Editor, as it allows me to open and edit Access.js application files. So when I start and stop a journey or track any journey on Google Map that I've integrated, it sends HTTP GET and POST request to Access in background. SAP does not provide any sort of component for maps, so I had to integrate Google Maps API version 3 on my own. Well, let's take an example of take action.xsjs file. If you want to put your hands on XSJS, I recommend you to learn Node.js before going ahead. So here I'm using $.hdb to access database connection, which I have configured using SAP Access admin tools. So I clicked on my package named as my HANA Access. I select CORS tab. Well, CORS stands for Cross Origin Resource Sharing. Basically, it defines a way in which browser and server can communicate with each other to determine whether or not it is safe to allow an incoming request. As of now, I am keeping it as asterisk. So this was an end of SAP IoT demonstration. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.